Hello guys, let's crochet a dragon stacking toy today. So the main part of this toy is actually stroke, which keep all parts together. Also we might do 4 rings, and afterwards we will add some small details to each one, like legs, arms and wings and so on. And as I already said, the main part is that stroke. Yes, please enjoy. Let's crochet 2 big legs, 2 small legs and tail for our stacking toy today. We will start with the tail today, and I put all description from first row till 24th one for our tail on a screen, so you can read it through if you would like to. We will start our tail with first row, where we will do our magic ring. It's usually magic ring. It's when you put a yarn around your fingers and then taking yarn through, so making the first loop. After that, we will continue making 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Again, it was mentioned in the beginning that we do just back side loop only. After 6 single crochet there, we might pull the end of our yarn to make like ring smaller as possible, to collapse all 6 single crochet together and don't leave any hole there. After that, we can start our second row with just single crochet on it. On the third row, we will do our increase, where we do pattern of 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and we repeat this pattern 3 times. And then the first one row, we will do 9 single crochet on it. And then we will do pattern which already on the screen, you can read it through. So each row we start with like 5, 7, 9, is it even numbers. We do our increase, we do pattern which we repeat 3 times, and each row we will like increase our amount of single crochet and leave just 1 increase, and this pattern will repeat 3 times for each row. And then odd numbers of our row, let's say we will do the same amount as we did on our previous row, and that is for the next part we will do our big legs. Please grab the white yarn. Again, all explanation of all our row you can see on the screen. Again, was mentioned in the beginning that all single crochet which we are doing is back loop only. We will start with magic ring and then do our increases in each next row until the 5th one, where we will change our yarn to the green one. As a result, from white yarn we might receive some kind of circle, and then we make some switch from white yarn to the green one. I'm showing in the details how to do the switch, which not so easy to see, to be honest. Now at the same time we will do our row with white and with green yarn, so just see how I'm doing and do the same. After we did 5 single crochet with our green yarn, we grab our white one again. We will do 5 double crochet in just 1 loop. After we did so, we collapse all of these 5 loops with white yarn through. So now it looks like a little bit poof kind of thing. It actually would be fingers on our leg for our dragon. And then we just grabbing the green yarn, making 2 single crochet, and then this pattern of 5 double crochet in 1 loop and 2 single crochet with the green yarn we will repeat 4 times. So as a result we will receive 4 fingers for our leg. during that time when we are switching from white to green, from green to white, actually we can put this yarn on the back, because these legs we will like put some stuff inside, like polyfill or something like this, and nobody gonna know what's way you have done, because it would be hidden. So it's, yeah, no worries about backside of your legs.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Then we end in our row with 13 single crochet more, and it's just 6 row, almost done. After that we will do 4 rows with just 30 single crochet on them, just to make it a little bit size, a little bit volume. Then we will do one row with decreasing, where we will do 5 single crochet, then pattern of 1 decrease and 2 single crochet, and then continue with 13 single crochet. After that we will do 4 more rows with the same amount as we receive after decreasing. And now it's time for our small legs. Again, all row we will do just in back loop only. We will start with our magic ring, and then we will do a couple more rows just with single crochet and with increasing using our white yarn. After that we will switch in on our green yarn and we will do some kind of fingers again. So we will start first row with 3 single crochet with our green yarn, then we take in white one and do 4 double crochet in one loop, then switch into green yarn, do 2 single crochet, this pattern of 4 double crochet in one loop and 2 single crochet with green yarn we do 3 times, and after that we will do 6 single crochet in our row. This part with tweaking the yarn from white to green, from green to white, a little bit tricky, but it's just one row to make this kind of finger. Then we will do 4 rows with 30 single crochet on them, just to make some volume for our leg. Then 1 row for decreasing with 3 single crochet, pattern of 1 decrease and 2 single crochet. This pattern we will repeat 3 times, and then 6 single crochet, and we might receive on our 9th row 15 single crochet. Then we will do 4 more rows with the same amount of 15 single crochet on them. And that is, we done our 2 big legs, 2 small legs and tail. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.